Many people nowadays are already too tired of being subjected to corrupt earthly governance, where many politicians are the only ones who are richly benefited from the nation's wealth, while majority of the citizens longing for a better life suffer from their interest. But the good news is, there is a perfect government technique, the true one, available already here on earth, that awaits you in part and can make every individual great, powerful, and rich, being filled by its fullness, where life is there, abundance is here, kingly inheritance is for us, and poverty never existed. And that is the kingdom of our great God and true family, intended to